so good.
Here. There you go.
I love that. So I have low arches, and my arches always hurt. But that felt, I don't know what it was, but that felt really good.
Yeah.
Welcome in to Elevate and Metro Chiropractic, where we're all one big family. My name's Jennifer. I'm the therapies assistant in the office. If you come in, I'll be the one to get you set up on stim, K-laser, interseg, decompression, and anything else that you may come in the office to enjoy. We'll welcome you in with open arms, and you'll be a part of the family.